Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mint mason grounded. First, you'll need to locate a special key and chip to unlock its recipe. Then, gather the necessary ingredients from various parts of the backyard. Finally, craft this formidable weapon at a workbench to enhance your combat abilities. The mint mace is a top-tier item, offering significant fresh damage, making it invaluable for tackling tougher insects and exploring new areas. Let's dive into the details. To unlock the mint mace recipe, your journey begins by finding the Minotaur maze key. This key is hidden within an exposed pipe located between the sandbox and the picnic table. You'll need a Tier 2 dagger to cut through some soggy roots underwater to reach it. Once you have the key, head to the Minotaur maze end on the picnic table. Open the locked chest there to retrieve the picnic board. L chip. Take this chip to board L and purchase the mint mace recipe for 2,500 raw science. With the recipe in hand, it's time to gather your crafting materials. You'll need 2 mint globs, which are made by cooking mint shards in an oven. The oven recipe itself is unlocked by a board L chip found in the Haze lab. Next, collect 5 flower petals, which are plentiful around the pond area. Finally, you'll need 10 tough gunk, often dropped by various insects found in the upper yard, such as termites. Ensure you have enough of each item before proceeding. Once you have all the required materials, head to any workbench to craft your very own mint mace. This formidable Tier 3 two-handed club is a game-changer for combat. It inflicts fresh elemental damage, making it exceptionally effective against creatures vulnerable to this type of attack, like bombardier beetles and stink bugs. Wielding the mint mace will significantly boost your offensive capabilities, helping you conquer the toughest challenges the backyard has to offer. Enjoy your new powerful weapon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.